Guys, welcome to the channel. DIY shop. So here today I'm gonna attempt to do a little surgery here on this door. And basically all the stain has been pretty much kind of dry. All the clear is gone. So I pressure cleaned it a little bit, take some of that dry material off. So we're gonna go ahead and sand it, prep it. I already started sanding it. A little trusty DeWalt orbital sander. Also using this little guy for the corners. It's done a pretty good job, but a little dusty. So here we go. I've been trying to do this for like 2 years, and I'm actually gonna paint it. The wife okayed it. Instead of sanding it another 5 years, have to redo this. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it. So I'm gonna kind of use a brown color that a lot of the neighbors are using for their garage doors and their front doors. So I'm gonna find something at Sherwin-Williams that's pretty nice. If you like it, I'm gonna post it later on the bottom. I'll put the code on there just in case if anybody likes it. But just, you know, kind of a standard brown. That's gonna look pretty nice. I do have new lights with the brown. I repainted the whole house. 2 tones. Like a gray color. So now it's time to paint the door. All right, here we go. All right, next day. It's pretty clean. I'm gonna do the inside here with just a manual sandpaper, same as the outside. Almost ready to paint. Take it apart again. I started yesterday a little late, so if I could do this, anybody can. So So what I'm basically doing here also, I'm repainting these are good hinges. I'm got a bronze color that I used for not the lamp but the chain and the cover up there. I did a little retrofit on that. That was supposed to be a sconce on the wall, and I ended up turning it into I guess the entrance lamp. So I did a little mod on this one. So I got some bronze painting, which I'm doing. I'm gonna repaint these one at a time. Door's kind of heavy, so I don't wanna. I'll do one at a time. They're about 20 bucks a pop, so these are oil filled. They have a little bit of grease in them, so they're actually good hinges. So I gotta do 5 of them at 20 bucks or 100 bucks. So I'll clean them up. Except for this one. This one is one of those spring-loaded ones, which you know, we get a lot of mosquitoes here in Florida, so let's keep the doors open when the kids come in. It'll help it out. So this is nice, almost ready to go. I gotta line up this handle. It's crooked. Whoever installed this door did a very poor job. So the door's not very square either. You can see at the top, it's got a gap over here. So I'm trying to put some screws in it. It's kind of loose, it's out of square. And I fix that too. So you see, you get the sun in the morning. So if I do another clear coat with a stain, eventually it'll eat it up again. So it's a lot easier to paint than having to do the stain with the clear. So I gotta do the inside too, but I'll do the inside once, you know, it gets a little cooler outside. Or I could take the doors off, put them on a table and sand them and paint them. But I don't want to do the dusting inside. Definitely not a good thing. Alright, here we go. These are the hinges I was talking about. So I do a little, you know, cleaning, repainted them. Saved a couple bucks there. They're good hinges, so there's the other one there. I did that one yesterday. So they're kind of like a brown, almost a bronze looking thing. So you're not really gonna see it anyway, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but should be good to go. Save a few bucks. Okay, here we go. Finished product. It's a nice little brown. A lot of people are painting their garage doors and trim, so it kind of matches with the little hanging light over here. It's actually pretty nice. Still has the wood look. So if I can do this, you can do this. A little bit of sand work. Still gotta adjust the door. I'm having issues with the actual frame that's not straight. So that's another project. This is the sprayed hinge. Doesn't look that bad. Looks better than painting it with the actual paint. But I'll ask the boss, see what she likes. Put all the hardware back. So gotta put the hinge back on this one. Cover all those little tiny holes. I'm gonna put some silicone on the corner here, so I could have a nice straight line when I do the paint. But that'll be another day. Alright. Remember to hit that like button. Any questions? Paint color if you are interested. Any hardware, tools, hit me up. Thanks for watching.